Welcome student. Okay. Today, after this Diwali, the new session, that is the second semester started. This is our first lecture of English. Okay. So today we are going to look at the grammar. So here this lesson number 17, that is subject, verb and complement. Subject, verb and complement. Okay. Let us start this lesson. Here is the man shown laughing. Okay. So how should we construct the sentences? There are different types of sentences. Sometimes there are subject, verb and adjective. Sometimes there are subject, verb and adverb. Okay. Now in these lessons we are going to study the subject, verb plus complement. It is a very simple sentence. Okay. So let us start with this picture shown in this lesson first. Okay. Here is a laughing man. Here is first sentence is the man laughs. The man laughs. Okay. And the second sentence is the man is. The man is. Okay. What is the difference between these two sentences? As we come to know, the first sentence is a complete. Okay, we get the complete sense of meaning of this first sentence, but we did not understand the meaning of this second sentence. The man is. Okay, it does not give us a meaningful sense of this second sentence. So in the first sentence, here is the word above makes a complete sense. So the first sentence, that is man laughs, gives us a complete sense, while the second sentence that does not make us any sense, or we can say that this sentence is incomplete. Okay, it is incomplete sentence. So the third line, the second point of this sentence is the above will make sense if you add the word happy. When we add happy, to this second sentence, that is the man is happy. Okay, now we come to know that this sentence gives us a complete sense. Now we can say that the second sentence is a complete sentence because of this happy word we come to know the meaning of this second sentence. So here the word happy is considered as a complement of the sentence, So here we get the definition of the complement, that is a word used after the verb to complete the sense of the sentence, known as complement. Okay. Now here are the some more examples are that is subject plus verb plus complement. Subject plus verb plus complement. So the first sentence is my father is lawyer. In this first sentence, my father is subject, and the is in the sentence is verb, and a lawyer is the complement of the sentence. Okay. Then second word is those men are famous. Those men are famous. In this second sentence, those men are subject, are is the verb of this second sentence, and famous is the complement. Famous is the complement. Okay. Now look at the third sentence. The third sentence is the children seemed tired. The children seem tired. In this third sentence, the children is subject, seem is verb, and tired is complement of the sentence. Okay. Now the fourth one is the lady appears glad. The lady appears glad. In this fourth sentence, the lady is subject, appears is a verb, and glad is the complement of the sentence. So in this way we can make a simple sentences. We can make or construct the simple sentences. So we come to know, or we can understand the how to construct a sentence with this format, that is subject plus verb plus complement. Okay. Now look at the exercise given below, that is the complete the following table with the suitable complements given in the list below. So here we have a list, that is beautiful, unhappy, calm, warm, dense, sore, doctor, and Rita. So here we get the list which we have to use in the sentences to complete the table. So here we have an example by completing the sentence, that is the climate is warm. In this sentence, the climate is a subject, is a verb, and warm is a complement. So in such a way we have to make a choice from the list and construct the sentence in a complete manner, so we can understand the meaning of the sentence. So here the second sentence is the oranges tasted. So we have to look at the list at the upper side, the taste. Here we get the word that is sour, regarding the taste. So now we can construct the sentence. Our choice is sour. The oranges tasted sour. Okay. So it gives us a complete sense. Third sentence is my friend's name is. My friend's name is. In above list we have Rita. We have Rita, the last one, which is a name of a girl. So my friend's name is Rita. It gives us a complete sense. My friend's name is Rita. Okay. Now the third one is these flowers are. These flowers are. Look at the first word, that is beautiful. So these flowers are beautiful. Fifth one is the sea appears. The sea appears calm. The sea appears calm. And next one is I shall become unhappy. I shall become unhappy. Okay. Next one is the children here we have here I shall become as we saw in before is wrong. I shall become a doctor, a doctor, a doctor. So here for the sixth one we choose the word that is a doctor. I shall become a doctor. The seventh one is the children seem unhappy. The children seem unhappy. Here the seventh sentence. Okay, and now the last sentence is the forest was dense. The remaining word is dense. So in such a way we can solve this exercise very simply. Okay, so here we complete this lesson in a grammar. It is very simple and small lessons. So children, you have to do a homework on this lesson, that is I will give you after this video. Okay, so here we will stop, and you have to do a homework and send me a photograph after completing the homework. Now we will stop here. Okay.